Bom dia, meu povo lindo. Oh. Oh man, it has been a minute. I really need to clean that lens. It is 4:20. It's 4:20 in the morning. I need to finish getting ready. Doing a day trip to LA, so yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit.
The sign said
Mellow coconut dessert. Rob, where are we?
we are in City of Industry at Frank & Son's collectible show. I'm here to find a backpack and a Labubu. And that's it.
I have no clue what a Labubu is. Juan, what are you buying?
Pokemon cards and maybe something else if I find it too besides cards. Although, what time does this anime store open?
Check. Why does it smell like
Smell like poo-poo.
seawater here?
Huh?
Huh?
It's just that they opened stuff
9
at
to 5, but what's in there?
Anime stuff.
Oh.
Y'all call Grand Archives?
Oh, no, for real. I hope they have some.
Oh, hey, it's that one girl from that one show.
Megan. No, not Megan. Kuru.
Yeah.
You're not weeb enough. You're not weeb enough. You didn't know.
I know I'm not.
I mixed
And
it
I've seen that show.
Yeah. It's the same name as Kurumi from Hello Kitty.
No, because it's Kurumi and then Kuromi.
Watch out. There's a Prius. Not us walking on the street.
We're not walking on the street, we're walking in the parking lot.
I mean, everybody's walking on the
If everyone was jumping off a cliff, would you do it too?
Yes. Because it would look like fun.
You all fucking die for the home.
I do it for the plot. If I live, I got a story.
Juan's gonna go look for another body pillow.
Have guy body pillows. If I could have body pillows at home, I would, but I can't.
Oh, it's just guys.
They just have guy body pillows. Oh shit.
Where do we want to start this off?
Harley Quinn. What are we looking at? Yo.
Yeah. Rob.
Man,
We accept crypto. Big man. Ew. Trippers?
That's a
It's a pain.
pee-pee.
I get it twisted.
Finally, we're doing the YouTube.
Why do you like that?
What is that, a Yeti? Hello. Hey, can I buy this? I'm not saying
It's kind of creepy. I don't know what it
And? There we go. Now you can see her. Okay, so what is this?
is. So, they're these little stuffed animals, and it's on a keychain. I'm just gonna dress them up, make them look all nice and snazzy. Apparently they're all girls or something like that, but mine's gonna be a boy. So
All right.
yeah,
I don't know how they look like.
they're blind boxes too. The secret one is the brown one. I don't expect to get the
brown one.
I don't expect the brown one. I'm hoping because I'm Mexican, I might get it. You know, just for like good luck, but we'll see. It only makes sense if I got it. Which one feels right? Which one feels right? Oh, I guess it's not there.
It's a secret.
It's not topping it.
City ones.
No, I love this
50,
Carter
the
here.
big ones are 55.
It says get out. So you gonna buy it here or you want to keep walking around first?
If we're lucky, I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah.
Oh no.
Bleh.
I said Nosferatu and
Oh.
you did Dracula.
My bad.
But is that not Nosferatu?
Was it? That was legitimately in the movie. I saw it twice.
Yep. Wait, what? You watched it twice?
I saw it twice.
Why?
I saw it on premiere day, and then I saw it on a date.
I mean, I saw it on a date too, and that was not a great movie.
My date fell asleep in the first like 20 minutes of it.
I wanted to fall asleep.
For real? I
Yeah.
liked it. I liked it.
Yeah, did you want to go watch it with us?
What?
Did it? Oh no, you watched it with this.
On a date with y'all?
Yes. I was on a date with you and Ephraim.
What do you mean? It was me, Larry, and and me. I forgot. I thought you were there, but I must have misremembered.
I swear that happens more often than you think. People think I'm somewhere when I'm not. See, like I'm looking through all these toys and I'm really hoping I don't see any Power Ranger stuff because then I'll be tempted to buy it.
Yeah. Me over here. 2 rings, please.
Yeah, I know. Oh man.
Pretty cool.
So we were. Where did Juan go? He just booked it on us, didn't he? No, that's Gwen. That's Spider Gwen. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you talking about the
No, I was
booth?
talking about the book.
Oh,
Where the heck?
I don't know where Juan went.
Oh, she was just like right outside the.
I know, huh? So, context. We were in this little jewelry shop that has like anime stuff and Power Ranger stuff. It's like, yeah, see, so Rob just bought these rings.
Yeah.
Now I'm debating getting a necklace with Saba. There's Juan. We lost him a while ago. Why? I flipped it around. Why? But yeah, so now I'm debating buying a necklace.
I was not like you said. You guys were thinking.
Dude, they have a necklace in there. It's Saba from Power Rangers. And I really want it, but it's kind of pricey, so we'll see what happens.
It's been happening with the cards too, but I can't find the one card that I've been looking for, and I've been asking at every booth.
What's that Misty one you're talking about?
Yeah, the 4 side does. I haven't asked about the sync, but the comments on it. Maybe I should be asking what
It's
that
a cool spot though.
is.
It's like it really is like a convention.
But it is slightly expensive.
Hey Rob. Labubu's.
Kind of hesitating. I'm looking for it.
I had to change the battery on my camera.
Oh.
See, like my inner child is just coming out right now. Cause like I want all of this.
I'm surprised that you don't get like a Megazord like Larry got.
You mean like that one that's right there?
Yeah.
Which is the one that Larry has?
Actually, he doesn't have this one.
No, he has that one.
Oh yeah, he does.
See, like I would, but at the same time, like I don't have a place to display this kind of thing. And honestly, I'd be more like prone to buying the weapons than I would like the actual toys.
They're not toys, Chris. They're action figures.
That's what a toy is, bro.
No.
Hey, wait a minute.
They're collective.
Hold up. That's a Beetleborg.
Spicy dabbing. Yo, is that Elon Musk?
We're just.
I need you to be cameraman. I'm gonna see if I can win something here.
It's already recording, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
One more.
I only have $1 left. Well, in cash, at least. Hold on. Keep recording. I got one more try at this.
Okay.
Let's see if the queen. Say I got it in my dollar.
Yeah.
Let's see if the crane game works. What should I go for, though, is the question. This thing's rigged. Well, that was a big fail.
And left off one back.
You just take the camera?
I thought you were gonna do like
So we just gonna go back to the corner then?
Well, that way.
I mean,
just under some of the stuff.
yeah. I mean, that's why I also brought a blanket too. To hide shit.
Hide this.
You wanna?
On the pillow.
Should we just do it when we get there and then?
It is hot as shit in here.
What up?
It's like warm in here. Oh no, we left the
What is this?
we left the fruit snacks in
No!
there.
Dude, I didn't think it was gonna be this freaking hot.
I didn't either. I thought it was gonna be 68. I thought, you know.
Hold on. The bananas.
They good?
Oh, they're fine.
Oh, okay.
They're like raviolis.
I mean, it's all plastic there. So that was a successful trip, right, guys?
Oh yeah.
What? Juan bought stuff. Rob bought stuff. I didn't buy anything, right?
You didn't buy anything.
You didn't buy anything.
No, I almost bought that freaking necklace though. I really wanted it. I'm not gonna lie.
Let me switch the card before you start moving.
Okay. Oh, there's a freaking card.
Yeah, for context, 'cause I didn't even record to take a picture of it either. There's a booth there that has a bunch of jewelry. They had a necklace that has Saba, and I wanted it, but it was like $125. And that's not money I'm willing to spend on a necklace I know I'm not going to wear that often. Yeah. Also, I found something out. I've had this bracelet for so long. Rob just bought one.
Yeah, they're waiting for us.
So these, these lava stone rock things. Apparently, you're supposed to put essential oils on it.
You rub it in there, you rub it good, and it's supposed to smell good for hours.
Yeah. See, I didn't know that. I've been wearing this thing like that, like normal.
It also repulses negative energy from your body.
Yeah. Yeah. See, that's why I'm not negative anymore. That's a lie. I'm always mad.
Hell yeah.
So okay. So where are we going?
We're gonna go to Jollibee.
All right.
If I can find the way out.
All right. So, yeah. And then afterwards, Little Tokyo. So we will continue this. I am sweating like a dog right now.
Hold on, let me-
So then what do we do? Let's get out of the way.
gone.
Yeah, Juan's gone.
Should I give him a call? Or is he even gonna pick it up?
I don't know. So context. We were in this store called Book Off, right? And our buddy just ran off. He had to find a restroom and he ran off. And now we don't know where he's at. So then what?
I don't know. I'm calling him. Hopefully he finds something because I also have to use the restroom, but not that bad.
Well, she said either Starbucks or Chicken Cattle Cafe or
She probably said Starbucks.
Chicken Cafe
And
or
he
something.
ran straight to Starbucks.
No, here's the thing. She just told me that right now when I went back in to grab the book. He just ran off.
I hope he didn't go to Is Boba Time because there's nothing over there.
Well, shit.
He's not picking up his phone.
All right. Well, we're gonna update, I guess, when we find him.
He's gone.
Yeah.
What kind of curvy is that?
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Attack on Titan.
So, yeah, big
Where'd
ass
the-
dude over there.
With the Larry.
Oh, we gotta walk.
Hey, at least it's different. At least it's not like Fresno where
We found
card shops don't wanna. They're not hating on each other. They're like, go to the other one.
They're like, I don't know where you can find that. Like direct, like, oh, they have it over there. Oh, they have it over there.
Yeah.
Hey.